eSIM USA review tutorial for beginners. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to buy an eSIM on this platform, and we'll discover all the plans. So if you want to use this platform, you can find the link in the description. You'll come to this page with these prices, best prices possible to use on this platform. So if you'll scroll down, you can find that we have 3 plans for USA, and we'll get like 4G mobile data, which is really good. Also, if you scroll down, we can find some additional plans like USA plus Canada, USA plus Asia plus Australia, or Global Unlimited. We can also buy like CT eSIMs if it's necessary. We can click on see all plans to discover all of them. You can do it by your own. So a lot of different cities here, and also like plans we've mentioned before. So as you can see, 99% of like all territories covered with eSIM USA platform. So it's really good. So let's say we want to get like the most popular plan here. How can we do this? So all you need to do is to click on buy now, and the next step is to select the number of days we're going to stay, from 5 to 90 days, which is like really good. I'm going to use it for 10 days, let's say. Also, we need to add some additional details like activation day. So we can activate it like today or no. So yeah, basically, yeah, as you can see, it's really easy. So when everything is done, we can just simply click on add to cart, and after that we can click on checkout now in the right bottom corner. Then we need to add some details like name, device, and email address where we'll receive our QR code to activate an eSIM. And then we can pay with PayPal or debit card. We can like simply like enable this checkbox. So we can pay with credit card, PayPal, or debit card, nothing really hard. Then we can just simply activate our eSIM, and voila, everything is done. We can now get our mobile data. So hope this video helped you out. Don't forget about the link in the description, and I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.